Today we have the fall grabby box, and this came just a couple days ago. It says Autumn Palette. That is our theme for this box. Very pretty tissue paper, nice pale yellow. Oh, and this is our pin. This is really pretty. Fall leaves all stacked on each other. Very nice. I love that. Here we have a hole punch, and it is a single hole punch. And this came off. I'm not sure if this was supposed to come off. We'll keep that separate. But these are a nice size to travel with you. So if you go scrapping with friends, you have that. Warm Golden Hues Paper Collection, 44 single-sided pattern papers, two each of 22 designs. Oh, we have buttons here with a mesh cloth. That's very pretty. Never seen anything like that before. And then this is actual cloth. And that is different. I've never had anything that was true cloth before to use in my journaling and art journals. And this is paper. Looks like you have several of each design. At least two that I'm finding so far. So this is paper that is made to look like cloth. So here we have another piece like that other one that looked broken. And we have this piece. I'm not sure if these, oh, it's in a paper envelope there. And they just came out of there. Not sure what those broken pieces are. Our grabby sticker, that looks like our theme for the month. And here, it's a folder. And it looks like some of the pieces fell out in transport. So it says Autumn Treasure Sticker and Paper Kit. So we have a clock, and I'm not quite sure what that is. A flower. This looks like it may be some kind of a frame. Here we have some other pieces. These are a heavy cardstock type. More frames. I want to do one of those frames in the journal looks. I've never done one of those, and I think these frames are good and heavy duty. I think they would work perfect for it. Be something new to try. And I have some more of these heavy-duty pieces. I'm going to put these delicate pieces to the back here and get through these first. That's a nice fall ephemera to work with. And then we have some papers that are like scenery type, and they are also the heavier cardstock. Looks like some of the old time pictures you would see at Grandma's house. And then these are delicate, very delicate. Oh, and the other side has the picture. Very pretty. But they have the delicate edges on them that look almost like doily type edges, very delicate edges. Beautiful butterflies. So these are some very beautiful pieces to work with. And again, they've given us some twine to be decorative with. And the book. So the Grabie Cutout and Stick It Collage Book Autumn Palette. This book belongs to. So welcome to the second edition of our scrapbook collage book, Autumn Palette. This edition celebrates the vibrant colors and textures of autumn, featuring beautiful papers, artwork, whimsical stickers, and pre-cut gift tags and envelopes to inspire your creativity. So we have organized it into 3 sections: crisp leaves and cozy vibes, harvest happenings, autumn treasures and memories. Grab your scissors and let your imagination thrive in this autumn crafting adventure. Happy crafting. So it does not mention an artist, so I'm guessing it's probably just the Grabie artist that did this one. But that's very heavy. So, Happy Autumn. It's one of the fold-outs. So I'm guessing it's, yeah, you can do a full-page spread in your larger journals with this. It says Hello Autumn on this side. I really love the colors on that side. And then we have some single page, double-sided pages that you can use for backgrounds. And these are heavy papers. I wonder if this one's a fold-out. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, another fold-out scene. Maybe this one is too. Nope, I think that's just a single. Very nice. For those who do art journaling, those are like perfection. Here we have deer, a lot of deer in the autumn we see. And this, I think, is another fold-out. Yes. These are like the small pictures. That one is like the small picture that we had in that other envelope. Okay, now these are the thinner papers. This is a vellum. Very sheer. More vellum. Vellum. Very sheer look to them. Okay, and this is vellum. And here's an envelope. And you could almost use this to cut vellum envelopes out of the vellum sheets. This says envelope interior. So this is your exterior with, you have a place to write there. But you could use this as a pattern, as I said, on your vellums. And remember when they used to give us all the stickers in those beautiful vellum envelopes? This section you could create your own. Okay, Harvest Happenings, and again, this is very thick cardstock. Oh, here we have stickers. Fall related stickers dealing with farms and harvest, gardening. Love the pumpkins. Oh, and the beautiful fall leaves and the sunflowers. Okay, and these are punch out little cards. You can use them as journaling cards. There's a place on the back to write on them. These are paper stickers. Well, I think they're stickers. Maybe they're not. Maybe they're just punch outs that you have to glue down because they go all the way through. Another nice background sheet. And these are also cut apart for, see, poke a few holes with a pointy tool. Collect leaves or flowers you like, only those already fall in naturally. It works great as a desktop decoration and can be placed anywhere you like. So I think that's this. I'm not really sure how you're supposed to use these. They do punch into 4, so maybe you can do the same thing with those. Another really heavy cardstock. Leaf stickers. These are very pretty. And they look like they're the clear stickers. These leaves punch out. Nice background page. Oh, another beautiful background. I love that. These are punch out. Another background sheet. This one's a very neutral background sheet. You can choose to color in those things or just keep everything neutral. I like this. That's very pretty. These are more punch outs. Very nice background sheet. Autumn Treasures and Memories. Okay, these are watercolor sheets. This first one says Hello Autumn. Beautiful pumpkin. An envelope with flowers. These are nice thick watercolor sheets too. These are like stamps. Okay, and these are more, they're punch outs. Some more clear stickers. Beautiful journaling sheet you can use. Another nice journaling sheet, has a place to put the title and write a few words and then add pictures and such for journaling your fall. Here's the monthly tracker. Another monthly tracker. Another monthly tracker, so you have plenty of tracking sheets. And these you can cut out and use as headers on your journal. These do not punch out. You'll have to fussy cut these, it looks like. Or no, maybe, no, it does punch out, but they're on the inside of that, of the design. So Very nice. So this is the section that they said to use in your journals to write down and keep track of what you did for the fall. Here's some stickers you can use. Some alphabet stickers. Some clear stickers. Nice journaling page. Beautiful background page. Another beautiful background. Weekly planner page, a daily schedule page, to-do lists, another journaling page. Here you can use this as journaling cards or a background sheet. Oh, some beautiful stickers. These are gorgeous. Love those. Some more stickers. More stickers. And these are tabs, it looks like, yeah, that you can use in your journal to tab each week or each month or however you want to do that. And these you have, you know, you can write on these as to what each section is. Some tags. Lots of beautiful tags you can work with. Beautiful background sheet. Notes. Journaling. Looks like a checklist. Another beautiful background. And that's the end of the book. So, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Happy journaling, everyone.